Come with me to try the new Gordon Ramsay Bar and Grill in Manila in the Philippines.
Gonna go wild like usual and get a Coke Zero.
Hello, ma'am, sir. Good
Hello,
evening.
good evening.
My name is Eric, and I'm your server for tonight.
For main course, can I have the beef Wellington, please?
Beef Wellington.
Got some bread to start. Chris has taken his half. It's lovely and warm, but the butter that it comes with is lemon and seaweed, and I can't stand seaweed, so I don't think I'm gonna like it.
More bread, ma'am, sir?
More.
Yeah, sure.
I'm gonna try some of the steak tartare. I'm not sure how I feel about this, but we'll give it a go. That's really good. That is delicious. Let's go. The juice is really nice as well, isn't it? Got that apple tartare, which comes with ice cream and some sauce, and it's a big one, so we've still got half of that. And then we've got a sticky toffee pudding. I'm gonna try this now. That is so delicious. I am so full. We've eaten so much food. Oh, absolutely delicious, right?